Tsaka, attorney, bakit si Melvin Matibag? Nung nangyari yan, hindi pa siya yung NBI director. Bakit hindi na lang si NBI Director Santiago na siya yung head ng NBI nung lahat ng yan ay nangyari?
Maganda. Well, that's a good question, but we have to remind ourselves na ang tinetestify ni Attorney Matibag, hindi yung kanyang personal knowledge. It is the result of the investigation and the action by a government agency, yung NBI. So siya lang ang nagkukwento kung anong ginawa ng NBI at ano ang kanilang konklusyon at saan nagbase yon. So it is not really siya lang. This is, you have to understand, or the people have to understand, including the judges, nang tinetestify ko niya, yung resulta ng trabaho, hindi lamang siya, kundi napakarami pang ibang mga opisyal at ahente at tauhan ng NBI.
Pero bakit, attorney, yung line of questioning ng defense kahapon, puro yung, do you have personal knowledge? Do you have personal knowledge? Puro ganun yung tanong.
But yun siguro yung, you have, we cannot blame them, but if you talk about the legal sense of the whole thing, hindi masyadong importante yun. Kasi nga, he is narrating what NBI as an agency has done based on his knowledge and records, of course, na nakikita niya bilang NBI director. Kasi siya yung pinakamataas eh. So, he fills the gap ng mga naunang dalawang testigo from NBI. So, yung mga ganun na pagtatanong na attacking the credibility, the accuracy, and the integrity of Attorney Matibag as a person, they cater to the public. Di ba? Yung mga common sense ng public, yung knee-jerk reaction nila, na karamihan ho naman sa publiko, hindi masyadong sanay sa pamamaraan ng ebidensya at mga testigo. Hindi naman sila abogado. So in a sense, yun. It's also an attempt siguro, not directly but impliedly, na meron siyang, hindi siya completely objective as an NBI head or director. But that misses the point. Yung resulta kasi, yung kinikwento niya, hindi lang siya yung hindi lang siya ang gumawa nun eh. That's the result of many other the efforts and contribution and the discussion between and among many other employees and officers of NBI.